Hello, I am Bhuvana. In this video, we will look at how B2B organizations can leverage I95 Dev Salesperson module to assist and manage sales representatives effectively. Before we begin, let us make note of key trends in e-commerce today. Competition is on a rise. Sales is happening over multiple channels today. Your customers demand seamless shopping experience across all these channels. They demand the omni-channel experience. Customers are driven by the desire for instant gratification and expect you to respond without any delay. Customer experience is the key differentiator. So how do you think you can get ahead of competition? You need to be agile, responsive, and customer-centric across channels. Your sales force on the field will need access to customer and order information. This will help them personalize customer interaction. Product and inventory information. This will help them make informed sales decisions. The ability to access and create orders on the go. This will improve customer experience. In short, what you need is a complete 360-degree view of your customers. This relevant customer information resides in the backend ERP system and therefore not accessible to the sales personnel on the field. They therefore have had to make calls to their support team to gather information. This process is not only inefficient in both time and money, but is also prone to errors and can cost in sales and customer experience. I95 Dev's Salesperson module for Magento addresses exactly this. The module extends Magento, making it convenient for sales teams to access all crucial information necessary to close sales on the move. What's more, you can now leverage your e-store to service both B2B and B2C customers without additional overheads. Let us now look at how the module functions. Once the salesperson account is created, they can log into the e-commerce platform and view customers and orders assigned to them. They can use this to address any concerns they might have related to their order. The same platform can be used to create new customers and orders as well. Let us see how a salesperson can now create a new customer and an order for this customer. The added benefit is that all necessary information is automatically transferred back to your ERP system. Imagine the impact this can have on your sales cycle, your team's productivity, and overall customer experience. It is not just the sales representatives or customers that benefit from it. The module also makes it easy for you as administrators to create salesperson, assign customers and orders to them, or manage their commissions and payout. You can extend this module's functionality through our additional module called Advanced Quotation. With both Salesperson and Advanced Quotation modules, your sales reps can very easily and quickly view quotes raised by a customer, make changes, and even convert a quote to order. This dramatically reduces the quote to order cycle. Here is a quick summary of the amazing benefits the I95 Dev Salesperson module can offer. You may want to have a look at clients across industries who have benefited from our product. For further information, you may want to reach out to us at the numbers given or log on to www.i95dev.com.